Welcome to our channel.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog who barks all day. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning letters happily. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, alphabet friends in harmony. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fish swimming by the sand. G is for goat that loves to climb. H is for hat, we wear it all the time. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning letters happily. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, alphabet friends in harmony. I is for ice, so cold and nice. J is for juice, a tasty slice. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion roaring high. M is for monkey swinging free. N is for nest in a tall green tree. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for pencil writing neatly. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning letters happily. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, alphabet friends in harmony. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for turtle, slow and light. U is for umbrella, keep you dry. V is for violin, music in the sky. W is for whale, swimming wide. X is for xylophone, tap with pride.
Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes of brown.
A, B, C, you sang with me, now you know them easily. A, B, C, hip, hip, hooray, you learn your letters all the way. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning letters happily. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, alphabet friends in harmony.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.